viewers, in this video we will see how to save the MS Word 2007 file. For this, first of all, open your MS Word by typing the word over here in the search box. When you type word, MS Word document will open. Now click on the MS Word. Here you can type your document, whatever you want to type in this. For example, I'm just typing here computer experts, this channel, see all computer related videos. For example, you want to save this text. For this, first of all, you have to go to this office button, click on this one, and now click on save as. When you will click on save as, then you are able to see certain options like Word document, Word template, Word 2007. You don't have to change any of the thing, just click simply on the save as. And now what you have to just remember here is that in the below option there should be written Word document, and now see the extension .docs, right? So you have to just check out yourself if this option is not selected in your Word file, then you have to just by manually select from here drop down menu. Okay, here the Word document .docs, right? This is the option which you have to remember always. Now you can just type your original name of the file which you want to keep, like I've written here computer expert.docs. One option which you have to always remember is that the extension should be .docs, D-O-C-X. Okay, now click on save. In this manner your file is saved. But this file has been saved by default to the my documents, but I wanted to save this file on certain another location, like I want my file to save on the desktop. For this, just click on this again, save as, and from here click on desktop, and now change the name if you want to, otherwise just don't change. Click on save, and now close the MS Word file. And now see, your file is just saved on your desktop. In this way you can save your Word file on your desired location. Hope you have enjoyed the video. For further videos related to this, just scroll down to see the computer expert channel. Until then, goodbye and good luck.